On Saturday, June 15, 2024, a number of us met for breakfast at Gus's restaurant in Ephrata, Pennsylvania, and we took a ride to Bill's old bike barn. There's some nice riding. It's in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. It's a little over 2 hours one way, but you can also, I mean, you can take back roads and you can take 3 hours or 4 hours if you want. So we took a route that had mostly scenic, but there was a little bit of highway, just because it's the route we chose to take. It was a beautiful ride and a perfect day to ride. Weather was, 80 degrees. It was great. And we did pass through a few small towns and stuff. It's a neat area if you get to ride in the Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania area.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
We stopped at Vreeland Harley Davidson on our way there. That's real close to there in Bloomsburg. And when we got to Bill's old bike barn, man, before you even get in the museum, they had some incredible stuff to see out in the yard. People bring their rat rods or hot rods or nice cars, and obviously a lot of bikes. A lot of people ride there. But you get inside that building, it's just amazing. His collection is incredible. So if you ever get a chance, you want to get there. It's in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania area. Bill's old bike barn, and some nice riding in the area. So if you're in the area where you could do, if you're in a location where you could do a day trip, that's what we usually do. Nice day trip. But one of the things that they have there is the Wall of Death, and Rhett, he put this together, and he rides a motorcycle around this Wall of Death. He's an incredible guy, and he's got a great story too. So he's very entertaining, in addition to a very good rider. And doing the show of riding the motorcycle, he shares some of his story and stuff, and it's very good. I'd seen him before, and he does go to different places. I mean, he's been to Sturgis. He's been all over doing this, so it's a lot of fun. But it's pretty cool to check out. If you ever get a chance to check him out, go for it. There was a guy there that had built this thing. It was crazy. He controls it with a remote control, but he talked about how long it took and how many times he messed up and had to start all over. But it was pretty neat. He actually has a chair he can put on it, and he's ridden it. But anyway, he was just there running it with the remote control on Saturday. We ended the day at Hogs Hollow Saloon and got a bite to eat and headed back home to Lancaster, Pennsylvania.